Assalamualaikum dear 3. I hope so you all are doing well. In our today's PEIK session, we are going to cover some of the pages from Threadbook 11. So first of all, you all have to take out your Threadbook 11 and open page number 12. Don't forget to mention today's date, that is 9th of April 21, 9-4-21. The topic name is using punctuation. Add the missing punctuation and capital letters into the sentences below. What you have to do in this one page, you have to put the punctuation marks where they are necessary. Do you know that what are the punctuation marks? Like the exclamation mark, question mark, dot, comma, full stop. These all kind of the marks are called as the punctuation marks. We use punctuation marks to give our sentences a sense of expression. Fine? And as we all know that if there will be the name of something, or all of the sentences used to start with a capital letters. So come, let's do it together. Starting from the sentence 1. When Pingu went for a walk, he saw Pinga. Here, the W of when will be capital. Pingu and Pinga are the names, so their first letter will be capital as well. And when Pingu went for a walk, you have to give some space over here, so for that we will be adding a comma. And then full stop is necessary. Now moving towards the next sentence, which is, it is dark, said Pingu. Now, after it is dark, I think so that we should have to give some space, like we should stop over here and then we have to continue, so then we will be adding a comma. And the first one letter will be capital, and Pingu is a name, so the first one letter of word Pingu will be capital as well. Now, can you touch the moon? Asked Pinga. Now, can you touch the moon? It's a question, so we will be adding the question mark. And the first one alphabet of the sentence, that is K, will be capital, and the P of Pinga will be capital. Don't forget to put the full stop at the end. Now, Pingu laughed and walked on. Pingu is a name and it's the initial letter of the sentence, so it will be capital. And then we will be putting the full stop. Now moving to the next sentence, he saw a bright light in the sky. So the first one alphabet of he will be capital, and then we will be putting the full stop. I love stars, said Pingu. So what do we have to do over here? Yes, the first one I will be capital, and I love stars. After that we will place a comma, and the Pingu's P will be capital. Now moving towards the next one sentence, that is me too, said Pinga. Me too. After me too, we will be adding a comma. The M will be capital of me. In the same way, the P of Pinga will be capital as well. Now, shall we fly to the moon? It's a question. That shall we fly to the moon? So we will be adding a question mark, and the S of shall will be capital. Now, shall we fly to the stars? The same as above. The S will be capital, and at the end we will be adding a question mark. No, let us go home. So the M will be capital, and at the end we will be placing the full stop. So in this way we have completed this one page. Now moving towards the other one. What you have to do, read the topic name. Yes, it is uses of water. And what we have to do, we have to draw and write about 4 uses of water. And why it is so important to us? Now think about water and think about the uses of water. Like how do we use it in our daily life, and what happens if there would be no water? First of all, we use water for drinking. So write that water is used for drinking. And think that if there won't be any kind of water for drinking, so what would happen to us? In the same way, we use water for cooking or for washing. So write about that we use water for washing purpose. Mama used to wash the dishes, Mama used to wash the clothes, Mama used to do a lot of house chores with the help of water. Now, moving towards the third one use, that is for cooking. Yes, so write about it. Then the fourth one use of water, it is for planting. We used to plant our trees with the help of water. Without them, we can't plant anything. Now you have to draw the images of that. It's up to you like how you are doing. In this way, we have completed these 2 pages. I hope so you will get the idea and you will be doing it by yourself. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Jazakallah.